What's up, everybody? It's Kyle with Georgia DOT East here in Milledgeville, US 441 bypass at West Campus Drive and also Magnolia Park. A big project coming to enhance safety. It's what's known as a reduced conflict U-turn. Short term is an RCUT. Eventually what that'll do when all is said and done is it will remove the ability for you to go straight across the existing median or take a left coming from either direction. It will force you to go right out from Magnolia Park onto the bypass, vice versa from West Campus onto the bypass. And if you wish to get to the other side or move about in the other direction, you will utilize one of two soon-to-be constructed U-turn median cuts to make those maneuvers. Both median cuts will have an extended eyebrow shoulder that will permit the buses or other large vehicles the extra turn radius and space they need to make that maneuver if they're utilizing the U-turn. So look for work to begin with GDOT forces. Bridge crews should come in next week on Monday, weather permitting. You'll see some traffic impacts on the inside lanes going in both directions as they work in the median and install pipe. More district work will follow that up, doing the turnaround eyebrows that we talked about. Then our contractor will come in to do the two U-turn median openings and eventually the specially designed concrete median in the middle. So that will still allow 441 drivers to turn left into Magnolia Park or West Campus Drive. And obviously everybody can still turn right in to either side of the drives off 441. So just know this project took a lot of planning. It's all done with safety in mind to remove those conflicts that are the most dangerous, the straight across movement and the left turns across the median. So y'all look for this work in the coming weeks. Stay tuned, be safe.